Hello everybody, I am going to show you how to log into your Microsoft Teams so that you have access to all the content from your teachers. First, you need to log in to your student portal. I will be using a student information just so that you guys can see how it looks on the student interface and not the teacher's one, because it's a little bit different. Okay, excellent. So from here, you want to go to Office 365. It may ask you to log in again. If it asks you to log in again, what you need to do, you need to enter your student ID number, add students, datedataschools.net, and again, your password. If you're sharing the device with a sibling, you have to make sure that every time one of you is logging in, make sure that you're using your credentials and not your brother or your sisters. Now from here, we have different apps, and we see here Teams. That's where you need to go. Excellent. Now, under Teams, and I just noticed I have it in Spanish. Of course, I'm a Spanish teacher. Let me see. Let me just change it to Spanish. To English. It's going to restart. There we go. Now, the student has art, world language, Spanish, music, and PE. So yeah, I'm going to show you, for example, the content that you can access on Spanish, since this is the class that I teach. Okay. So here you can see the posts. Students can post comments or questions. Teachers also can post any comments or updates about the course. And then here, assignments. That's where you'll find the assignments that you have to complete. The ones that once you complete those assignments, they're going to show under completed. Grades. Now, this student has not received a grade yet because the assignment is not due until tomorrow. But once the due date is over, then you'll be able to see your grades. The class notebook. If the teachers wants to set up a notebook, they can, but that's up to the teacher. Okay, this may be something more advanced that the teacher may want to add later on. But the most important things that you guys should be familiar with is the assignments, the posts, and the grades. Okay, this is all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for some of you. Adiós.